I find it very selfish that women who have reached menopause do not allow their husbands to have a second wife, somebody younger than you. Polygamy had a purpose, my ladies. You do not satisfy him sexually. The older the man gets, the more sex they want. And women, once we've reached menopause, sex is no longer a very big thing. It's no longer interesting as it used to be. But for your husband, in Botswana, there is a saying that says, a man in his 70s can still make a young girl of 20-something pregnant. But for you as a woman, your time comes to an end. So it is very selfish that when you don't want it, you think he doesn't want it too. Allow him to have a second wife. Polygamy is not for every man. You need to be emotionally intelligent. You need to be financially stable. This is why most men prefer to cheat, because it is cheaper to cheat than to have a second wife.